Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a clone, guys. It's not a real super sport, but it does have all the SS trim and hood. Nice car. Bought this car. A buddy of mine is the one who located this car for me. It's out of North Carolina. It's just undergone a recent body up restoration. It has a pounded aluminum headed 454 big block underneath the hood. Plenty of power. It's this car has been and I actually got the title back from our state. This car's been owned by the same gentleman since 1979. I have the 79 North Carolina title that was issued on this car. Again, we have to turn our titles into the state, so you'll actually get a new title in my name, but we got our state to give us that original title back. But pretty car. It's finished in Tuxedo black. It's got the black vinyl interior. You can see it's got 17 and 18-inch American racing torque thrust all the way around it. New rubber. Pretty car, man. Again, ground pounder, 4-speed, and a neat car. Car's got all 4 original T3 headlights in it. Chrome and stainless is nice. There's some things you can pick on the car, but pretty doggone nice car, guys. And if you want a ground pounder, if you want something with some horsepower, I think you're gonna like this car. This thing beats the ground. Pretty tuxedo black paint. And my guys missed some dust on there. That's not all their fault. They've been sitting around here waiting for me to get stuff advertised, and it's just busy. It's just crazy in here. A mark there in the paint. Not a whole lot to nitpick, a little bit, but still very nice car, guys. It's just dust. Straight down the sides, again, new rubber, new wheels. I do know they put new, I think it's front floorboards in this car. Those are chrome, American Racing torque thrust. Front disc brakes. Again, it's got all the 396 emblems on it. That's what these cars, an SS would have had those, but it's actually got a 454 underneath the hood. Again, this is a, you can see it's got the Pro Max aluminum heads on it. It's a 454 block. You can see it's got the Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got the quick flow dual feed 4-barrel in it. It's got those Pro Max aluminum heads, ceramic headers. It's a manual steering car with that 4-speed manual trans, power front disc brakes. Killer car, man. Aluminum radiator. And like I say, when we fire this thing up, man, it beats the ground. They put the Bowtie 427 aluminum valve covers on it. Pretty car, man. Got the SS hood. Again, this is a clone. It's not an original car. You can definitely pick the A-pillar chrome there. Mirrors are new. Door handles are new. We're gonna have to figure this out here. You can see they put new door rubbers on it. I think there's supposed to be a little plastic piece that pops in there. Have the guys take a look at it and see what we can do with it. New sill plates, new carpet. Factory bench seat. It's got the Hurst shifter. Headliner looks new. 22,610. I'm sure that's 122,610. Not supposed to be a bunch of miles on the car. It's got a sun tax, got some aftermarket gauges. Sorry, I put the new rubber mats in it. That one's still rolled up a little. It's got the Retro Sounds radio in it. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 10-bolt 373 limited slip rear end. Also has a rear sway bar. Sorry guys, I just missed a little dust. Car's all spackle painted in the trunk. And like I say, boys, this car runs. You can see the rear sway bar. Yeah, if you're looking for something that beats the ground, you're gonna like this one. Again, we have to check those. I think that, yeah, it's missing the little plastic piece that holds that on there. Let's see what we can do here. That plastic piece is kind of flimsy, so sometimes they'll break off. Then they try to use a glue to hold it on. But again, I'll put the new rubber mats in it, and we'll just flip it over. Aftermarket gauges, aftermarket radio. Got the SS steering wheel in it. Again, Hurst shifter. There's a plug-in for the radio, the USB. Again, you can nitpick the 8-pillar chrome on both sides. This thing's a monster, man. That car is wicked bad, man. Like I say, it is fun to bang the gears. Tach works, fuel gauge works. Looks like all your gauges are working down there. Parking brake, Jordan. Parking brake works, guys. Well, that thing sounds good, man. There he goes. Just gotta find the channel. Well, can you hear it? I'm not real sure. This motor. Blower motor? Yeah. Blower motor does work, guys. No on the wipers. I'll have Steve check those. Come back up. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Man, that's nasty. bunch of people pulling out in front of us. Have a great day, guys.